Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will to show you the way how to customize the notification on your iPhone. And today's customizations will gonna be a notification whenever your iPhone battery is start to be low and the time to charge kind of thing. So here to do that, open your shortcuts application. All iPhones should have this application because this help your work with iPhone much more easier. And after you open it, there will be three sections down here. So you just need to go click this automations and go click this plus button. In the search button, you just need to type battery. And after that, you just need to go click it. Now you just need to drag this point into the specific percentage level of the battery that you want to get the notification. Let's say here, whenever the battery equals to 30 or falls below 30, you just need to go click this falls below or equals. It's just up to you, and you just need to change from run after confirmations into run immediately to make it automatically running. And now you just need to go click next. And the next thing is for the action, which is to get started here. You just need to go click this speak text. And now you just need to click this part. And you just need to type the text. Let's say here, time to charge. And after that, you just need to go click done. And okay, I think I miss it, so I will let you change. Okay, done. So whenever your battery is 30 or below 30, so your iPhone will get the notifications with the voice time to charge. Means that you will need to charge your iPhone. So that is the way, guys, how to get a notification whenever your battery get low. So hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll let to see you for the next tutorial.